y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing y'all a wonderful recipe for Easter, and it's just a quick grape salad. Now, if you've ever had chicken salad chick, honey, you know exactly what I'm talking about when I say grape salad, and you won't believe how easy it is to just whip it up on your own. Don't go paying all that money for that chicken salad chick grape salad, honey, because you'll be able to do this after today. So I have washed my grapes, and I have just split them in two. Now I like using the red and the green just for pretty colors. Do it however you want to do it. But this is all the ingredients that it takes, and that's 1 stick of cream cheese. Y'all know I got that Philadelphia one. It popped right out.
Good.
Yes, Russell went shopping. So 1 block of that, and I'm going to just go ahead and cream that before I add my sour cream and sugar and vanilla. Y'all, that's all it is to it. Let's get this going. All right, got that, creamed up just a little bit. And we'll go in with a cup of sour cream. I'm just going to eyeball it, but it's about a cup for you. A dollop of daisy. That's what we're doing today.
Just a dollop?
A dollop of daisy. A whole cup, a whole dollop. Big dollop. All right. And half a cup of sugar. All that's going to go in. And we're going to go ahead and put our little vanilla. And I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of this vanilla. We just opened up our new one, y'all, from our little cruise. Good stuff. Smells so good. All right. Now I'm just going to whip this up. All right. We've got that all creamed up. Good to go. And now all you're going to do is fold your grapes in. Just that simple, y'all. And I've got about, this recipe calls for about, I think it was 4 cups of grapes. So, and I might have a little more than that. But you just, it's not got to be exactly perfect. Look how good this looks already. Yummy.
Oh, we might have had a little sample of them grapes.
We have, y'all. These grapes are so good. These some big old green grapes.
Oh, sweet.
They were delicious. They really are. It didn't need nothing really, did it?
No, really
they
did.
are delicious. We got some saved just for us snacking.
Yeah.
You see there's plenty of sauce in there. So you could have added grapes. You could actually half this recipe and just do half a stick of half a block of cream cheese and just reduce everything in half. But this is all there is to it, y'all. Now you're just going to sprinkle some brown sugar, and I've got some pecans and just some chopped pecans. But I will tell you, you don't want to look at there, grape got away. You don't want to put the brown sugar on it and the pecans on it until you're ready to serve it. So if you're making this ahead for Easter or whatever, you can just put it in the refrigerator, and right before you serve it, put it on the table, sprinkle your little brown sugar on top and your pecans, because the brown sugar will dissolve. So that's all it is to it, y'all. Quick, simple, and oh my gosh, it is just delicious. So, you ready to give it a little taste, Russell?
Oh, yeah, it's my time.
Tell me what you think, baby.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. All right, y'all. Just that easy. We got grape salad.
That is easy.
Easy peasy.
Yep.
You could do this one.
I can do this one, y'all.
You could do this
I
one.
can handle that.
If you ever have a little party and you
I
don't
don't
know
know if
what
I
to
can
take.
run that mixer, but I'll sit there and stir it. I figure it out on that one.
If you ever have a little party and you don't know what to bring,
Grape salad.
can't go wrong. Can't go wrong.
Let's give it a shot.
Go ahead.
You done got me the little
Well,
bitty
stir it
spoon.
around.
You trying
You
to tell
wanna-
me I don't need a whole lot of this?
No, that's...
Can't get but one
stir it
grape at a
around.
time?
The grapes are so big, that's all you need.
It's really good.
It is really good. You just spilled some of your brown sugar.
Well,
It come out, I know.
I'm blaming the spoon.
Lord.
Yeah.
Here, you want that?
It leaks. Simply cool things.
Yeah, simply cool things. I'm using it.
Yep. I had to go for a round 2 because I got a kiddie
Get it
spoon.
all,
Got
get
a little,
it all in
she
there.
gave me one of the grandbaby spoons, y'all.
Right.
Fantastic.
It is so
Man.
good. It is good.
Man.
It is like dessert.
Oh, that is dessert.
It's dessert.
Yeah.
It's so good. The girls at work love this.
But you
what?
are getting your fruits
You
and
are?
some nuts.
You're getting some
So
fruit.
I'm gonna claim some health into this. Right?
Now you got your fat with your cream cheese, dairy. Got your dairy and sour cream.
I'm gonna claim a little bit of healthiness.
It's all right. You just.
Yeah. I don't know about all that
listen.
sugar you dumped in it, but
Well, I didn't really put a whole lot on
that was
it.
a pretty good chunk.
You just got it all in one bite, I believe. But
Brown
anyway,
sugar, regular. Anyway,
Yeah.
we're not gonna talk about all that, y'all.
No, it's good stuff.
It's
Give it a
delicious.
try. Give it a try. It is
Yeah.
really, really good. Like I said, this is perfect because Easter's coming.
Yeah, that'd be a great dish.
And you can make this ahead and just pull it out right before.
Quick,
It is
easy.
so quick. And it's good. I'm telling you, all the kiddos will love it.
Mhm.
Kid approved. They'll think, oh, this is good and sweet.
Y'all don't just say, "Oh, I'll bring some plates or a drink." There you go.
Yeah,
That's
do
easy right there.
something.
Bring it.
Yeah, if you've been asked to bring the plates and the cups, honey, there might be a reason.
You'll impress them. You bring that right there.
Surprise them.
Yeah, surprise.
Surprise them.
Bring your
Pull it
drink
out.
and then bring your grape salad. They'll be like,
Yeah.
"Oh, that's good."
Yep.
Yep.
They might ask you to do it again next.
That's right.
Little
Hey,
gathering.
bring that thing you brought last time.
Yeah, that grape stuff.
Yeah, with the grapes in it.
That grape stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
But anyway, y'all, so mock chicken salad grape salad. So simple, easy, but law, it is good.
It is good, y'all.
And I hope you tried. If you tried, y'all know, holler back and let me know.
Yeah, let us know in the comments.
Yep. And until next time.